Hi everyone, this is Erin Gates from Lizzie Knits, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do the SKP decrease stitch, and this stands for slip, knit, pass, SKP. This is a decrease that decreases by one stitch and it is left leaning. Okay, so on my swatch here, I got a few just regular knit stitches out of the way, and now I'll show you a decrease using the next two stitches. So the first stitch, you're going to slip purlwise. Take the needle, slip it onto the right. And then the next stitch, you're going to knit. So now that you have both those stitches on the right needle, you take your left needle and slip that first stitch over the second one and off the right needle. So now you're left with just one stitch, and you took two stitches, made it into one, and a nice little left leaning stitch on top there. So here, let me knit two more. All right, let's do that decrease again. Here we go. SKP, slip, knit, pass. Okay, we'll do it again. Slip, knit, pass, slip, knit, pass. All right, that is the SKP decrease. Thanks for watching.